Hey kings and queens, welcome back to another video of Life in My Fro. Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video on, first of all, like and subscribe. You might like this video or not, whatever. What I'm going to do today is how to put on lashes for dummies 101. Anyways, so let's get into it. I was gonna add the link to where I get my lashes from, but boo, I found out she don't sell lashes no more. So I can't add the link. Here's where we measure your eyelashes with your eyelid. You do so by cutting the end of the eyelashes, which are the longer strands of hair. And when applying the glue, just put a tad bit. You don't want to overdo it, child. You don't. Lashes on in a minute. Hold on now. I might be reteaching myself. So we're gonna do this again. Boom. The trick is just pull the side of your eye and enter the Asian side of the family. That's it, boo. So then you're gonna place the eyelash in the middle and then clamp down at the end and the beginning of the eyelash. And then you're gonna finish clamping the eyelashes, and there you have it. As long as you don't poke your eye, you is good, baby. Okay, sis, I see you. You know, when you use the bonding glue, you know, this one, it burns if it were to get in your eye. So the eyelash glue, it doesn't burn, like, whatsoever. So that's why I like it. I highly recommend the eyelash glue. Voila. The whole spin. And that's how you put on top lashes. Maybe for beginners, I would say that's the easiest I've seen it. I've seen other ladies, they get the lash and just look down and pop. Like, no, it don't work like that. My eyelash is kind of long, so I'm gonna need you to go like this for me and then look down. I add mascara sometimes, but my eyelashes tend to blend very well, so I don't add it all the time, but you can if you want, ladies. I don't like to. I'm not going to today because I ain't going nowhere. The black liner is to go on top. I don't really like it on top, but if I wanted to that day, I would. I like it how it looks like this. Some of you won't, I guess, but I'm gonna stick like this. And if you want to look all up on my eyelid to see, you know, if I got lashes on, it's obvious dummy, I got eyelashes on. Like, they're not mine, so whatever. Maybe add a little razzle dazzle to it, like. I'm crying. See, no, my eye don't like it, so we're gonna put that away. Oh no. cute. Really cute. I can't tell. I think it would look cute if I had makeup on or whatnot. But I don't know how to do that. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Like and subscribe. And hopefully I am consistent with posting videos for my kings and queens. And we'll be back with another video. Did she really just end the video with having one of her eyes with silver? I don't know. Yes, I did. I'll show y'all how real I am. I'm not trying to make my YouTube look perfect. I'm not a perfectionist. Like, if something were to happen on live, like, y'all won't see it, right? So yes, I did end my video off like that. It's still there and I'm trying to take it off, but I can't. So life in my fro.